Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And I've been making gaming videos and YouTube videos and all those videos. I only made 4 though. But I just wanted to show you these baby birds right next to our house. So in our neighborhood, everybody's house is like with pesticides or all that. But in our house, we don't have any pesticides, so there's just so many bugs. Like, look at this. There's literally ants right where I'm filming. Like, look at all those ants. Can't see it that well, but there's a lot of ants. And so, let me just show you these baby birds real quick before the mother to come. And she starts attacking me. So let me just see if I can get a good view. Look at that. Unbelievable. There's baby birds. There were blue eggs like 4 days before. 4 days. 4 days, 4 days ago. I just wanted to show these baby birds. There were blue eggs too. If anybody can find out what kind of bird that is. But look at those. There's 3. I don't think you can see them all. Look, there's 3 baby birds. And I'm gonna leave before the mother comes. But bye, and I'll see you on the next video.